Welcome back to another video on the channel, Talking Designs, guys. If you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you enjoy it, please share with your friends, family, what have you. All right. Today's video, we're continuing to work on the body panels for the G35 and the Celica. He's very much knowledgeable now. Can handle that by himself. That's his car. I'm working on the hood. You guys didn't get to see me start on it, but just go ahead and hyperlapse. Just go ahead and hyperlapse. What I'm doing is a lot of blocking, puttying to get it right. So hopefully I can get all that done today and get it ready for primer, hopefully tonight or tomorrow. All right. So seems tedious to you guys. The same thing. It's not. It's progress. We're making progress. So bear with me. And again, if you're new, welcome to the channel. Alright, I'm going to go and put in the last section, last four, let it dry in about an hour, and block the whole thing. Alright guys, first layer of putty sanded. I put another set on, wait for that to do its thing. Then I go back and I'm gonna block it again, and then we're gonna lay the last coat of primer before this thing is ready to be painted. I missed a spot here, gotta go back and fill it in. But other than that, that's the hood. So I got the car running right now, warming up. I'm gonna bring it in here, and the reason is it's on the side of the building where there's no sun. Bring it over here so I can see every dimple, every scratch. Block it, putty that. Same thing with the front bumper. Get that done, and all the panels will be ready for paint. So appreciate you guys as always. All right, just I know it's tedious, but we're getting there. We are getting there. All right. All right, guys, got the car flipped around. Like I said, it's better if you put the part you're working on in the sun. And if you guys can see, I'm gonna switch this around right here. And right over here. Run over there. Little spot right here. The front bumper is not as bad as the hood was. The rear bumper got a couple spots to do. But also, we had a couple windstorms about a month ago, and the fender took some damage, so I gotta sand that down too. Good. I'm hoping I can knock all this out in the next 2 hours, and we gotta take everything off the car, prime it again, and I gotta put it back on there. Just so I park it, because I gotta take off for a couple of days. So, but anyway, let me get to work. I just want to show you guys how beautiful this paint job is. All right, don't look at this. Okay. Watch this. Keep in mind, it's not buffed this yet. Just gonna do the door. A-pillar. Dust on it. I'll try it real quick and bring it up close. It's like looking at a mirror. Then you can see the color change. Come in the shade on the inside. Now this is where the glass is, the windshield. Almost white. Silver. And I'm gonna bring it all over here and show you the glue in the paint. Ooh-wee. Make sure I catch my shadow in there. Just look at that. Look at that. Early in the video, all you guys saw was the hyperlapse, but I'm using Nitro Stan Grey Putty 9000 to help fill these. Like I said, the front bumper is not as bad as the other panels. Started this back in 2019, so I guess it's fair to say it got most of the attention. Guys, I hope this is not another crack I'm seeing developing here. Oh no. Alright. Let me go dig into that. Alright, use the hacksaw to investigate. And it looks like Bondo cracking. Now what I don't get is all this is solid bumper. Okay, now I see the problem. The actual bumper reinforcement back here. That's what's causing it. See, that's why test fitting is so important. So now I gotta clean this up, clean it out, and hit that with Bondo. So if I was to give this a time, I would give this another 30-minute delay. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, so I use the ear grinder to open it up like a V shape, valley like type. Use the 80 grit, sand around the area. Those of you doing small repairs like this, this is a step you can follow. This is what I do. Get all the dust off. We use the ProFlex flexible Bondo. Somebody left it upside down. Not gonna mix too much. A little bit of hardener. Any of you guys out here local watching this has a G35 coupe and you got the foam to go in front, please hit me up so I can get that put in there. Just gonna build it up a little high so I can sand it down, block it, hit it where it's supposed to be. That's that. Get back to putting that putty. Found another one. So, vibration hitting the bumper reinforcement bar causes a spider. So, we gotta fix that too. So, I think we're gonna be at a stopping point. I'm gonna fix this. I was gonna try and primer tonight, but I think I'm just gonna fix this and close this up. Hey, I found another one. Well, all right, ladies and gents, as you can see, we found another spider crack. Fixed it, and I wish I could show you on the inside. it's back in here. The aluminum bumper reinforcement bar has like this 1.5 inch thing on it that's poking into here. So we need to get the absorber to fix that. So it's puttied, it's bondoed. I'm gonna go inside now and hit the hood, hit the rear bumper, set them up, and if we throw primer on everything but the front bumper tonight, I mean, oh, I forgot the other hood, the wing, and the trunk also. But we'll see what happens. Alright guys, ended the video here. Right into another spot right here. You guys saw me fill this earlier. It's not completely filled. Feel a dimple. Other than that, the rear bumper is ready for a second coat of primer. Hood, this spot up here, I had to refill, and also here. It's cold now, and it's not gonna, dry cure in time. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. As you can see, I'm making progress. All right, I am making progress. We were gonna try and prime, but if this putty's not curing, hardening in time, I got other stuff to do. So that's it for this video. Hey, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And like I keep saying, thank you for support. Merch is available to help support the channel. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm trying to get a GoPro 8 to aid in better footage. We can have more than 2 angles. It's gonna use my phone, and I hate when the shit rings and says scan likely. Best of my recording. But hey, just be honest with you guys. Alright. So hey, thank you as always. Thank you guys as always, and I will catch you in the next video. Alright? You guys are about 4 days behind me. I gotta do this, edit it, get it scheduled on. So one day we'll get this done. Yeah, thank y'all. Love y'all so much.